Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. This phone has been making waves in the tech world ever since it was first announced, and for good reason. It's packed with cutting-edge features and boasts some seriously impressive specs. But before we dive into the exciting details, I want to take a moment to ask you to subscribe to my channel for more updates and videos on the latest tech. So let's dive in and see what all the fuss is about. First up, let's talk about the design. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a real stunner. It features a sleek, minimalist design with a stunning 6.81-inch OLED display that stretches from edge to edge. The screen is incredibly crisp and vibrant, with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes everything look buttery smooth. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. That last one is particularly impressive, as it allows you to zoom in up to 5x optically and up to 120x digitally. And the front-facing camera? That's no slouch either, with a 20-megapixel sensor that takes great selfies. But what about performance? Well, let me tell you, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 processor and comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. That's right, 1 terabyte. You'll be hard-pressed to find another phone on the market with that much storage capacity. And let's not forget about battery life. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W wire charging, 67W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. That means you can charge up your phone in no time, and you can even use it to charge up other devices wirelessly. And last but not least, let's talk about the software. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra runs on MIUI 12.5, which is based on Android 11. It's a smooth, snappy operating system that's packed with features and customization options. Plus, Xiaomi is known for providing regular software updates, so you can be sure your phone will stay up to date and secure. So, there you have it, a quick rundown of all the important details you need to know about the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. From its stunning design and impressive camera to its lightning-fast performance and long battery life, this phone is truly a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.